Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Waller. It is 11:26 a.m. Mountain Time in the United States, Saturday, January 9th, 2021. Hope everyone's doing good today. I'm doing fine. I just want to provide a quick update on XRP US dollar. To the far left, I have the 3-hour time frame, left of center 6-hour time frame, right of center 12-hour, and to the far right, the 24-hour time frame. I want to point out here in the 3-hour time frame how the white energy is about to cross below 50 and that our green line made contact with our red RSI while going down, indicating downward pressure. However, if you notice here, the green line is coming out to the side and it is now actually above the white energy. That is bullish. And you can see that happening here in the 6-hour as well. And it's likely that we get our close above 56. Currently, the red RSI in the 3-hour is at 66, and in the 6-hour is at about 66 as well. So I'm seeing upward pressure in the 3-hour, 6-hour, and the 12-hour. The green line is starting to point up. However, this could turn back down, could still turn back down. But it is looking bullish at the moment, with the green line being higher than the white energy in the 3-hour, 6-hour, and in the 12-hour time frame. And our red RSI is above 56, as well as the 24-hour time frame. We haven't seen the green line move out to the side yet, but it looks like it wants to. It looks like this green line, this white energy here is going to, here, let me blow this up for you. So the white energy is going to come down. The green line is going to come out to the side here. Our red RSI is going to continue above the 70 level, moving towards the 80 level. Our blue LSMA will also likely follow the red RSI here. Similar to what we did here, we could be something like right here. We have some upward potential. I'm going to put the 24-hour to the far left, 2-day, left of center, 3-day, right of center, and the 4-day to the far right. I don't like to see how high this green line and how high the white energy is above the green line, and that our red RSI has not crossed above 56 yet. Our Bollinger Bands seem to be expanding in the 2-day as well, still. 24 hours still contracting. The red lower Bollinger Band has almost made it back up to join the rest of the others up here. Been waiting on that for quite some time since we had our massive expansion here. And you see our Bollinger Bands came way down here, our lower red and our lower orange, before making its way to come back up. So it's likely that they're going to contract back together, trade sideways for a little while, and then we might see some explosive action upward or downwards. I'm leaning more towards upwards at the moment, based on what I've seen in the 3, 6, 12, and 24-hour time frames, the short-term group of time frames. I'm in the near-term group of time frames right now. And here in the 3-day and 4-day, we need to see our red RSI cross above 50 before we can begin thinking that we will have upward pressure in these time frames. In these lower time frames, the 3-hour, 6-hour, and 12-hour, could have enough upward movement to then have our indicators display bullish sentiment in our 2-day, 3-day, and 4-day time frame. I don't see that at the moment yet. We have a new 2-day candle in 5 hours and 28 minutes. I've been waiting on this candle before I was going to provide an update. But what I was seeing in these lower time frames, I figured I might as well provide a quick update so we can get an idea possibly where this might be going, where our 3-day, is it going to keep coming higher? Is our red RSI going to come up and point up and follow with the green line here? Is our blue SMA going to follow up too? So to the far left, I put the 12-minute, left of center 23-minute, right to center 45-minute, and to the far right, the 90-minute time frame. So our Bollinger Bands are contracting still, in all of these 4 time frames here in our scalping group of time frames. We got 12-minute. We have seen our red RSI cross above 56, get a close above 56 as well. We also are above the basis. When this blue LSMA comes above 50, we increase our odds of having the Bollinger Band expand in the 12-minute time frame here. Here in the 23-minute time frame, our red RSI has yet to close above 56. So they're still waiting to see confirmation on that in the next 14 minutes. In the next 12 minutes, we'll have another 45-minute candle. And I would anticipate, since the green line is making contact here with the red RSI while going up, indicating upward pressure, that our red RSI is going to start to turn up, pointing back up towards the 50 level. If we get a close with our red RSI above 56 in the 23-minute, we're likely to see that happen in the 45-minute. The green line is higher than the white energy in the 45-minute and in the 90-minute. There's actually a pretty big gap here in the 90-minute. Is the white energy ready to turn up yet? I don't know. I can't say for certain, because right here, when you were right here, this likely could have been pointing up. If I were to do a replay right here, you could see it going pointing up to the side, down, and eventually closing to the side, and then we fell some more after that before finding our bottom way down here. But the difference was our green line was still following too. Right here, we're much higher. Well, I guess it was something similar like this. Down, spike up, down, spike up. So do we get rejected here and come down? The way the red RSI and the blue LSMA looked right here, it looks similar to what we have present day in the 90-minute. I guess it's the same day. No, it's not. That's January 8th. I'll say at present. At present, these indicators are looking similar. But the 45-minute time frame is about to have the white energy cross above the 50 level. So once we get a close here and we can get confirmation we have a close of the white energy, or really a cross of the white energy above the 50 level, we need a close of the red RSI above the 56 level. David mentioned in his video yesterday that when the white energy falls below the 50 level, it triggers a race to begin of when the white energy in the lower time frame can cross above 50 before the red RSI in the higher time frame before we can get a close. Before we can get a close in the white energy above the 50 level in the lower time frame, before we get a cross with the red RSI crossing below the 50 level. So right here, a race was triggered between the 45-minute and the 90-minute. Can this white energy close above the 50 level before the red RSI in the double time frame, in this case the 90-minute time frame, can cross below the 50 level? So it's likely this 45 minutes is going to win the race. It's at 45 while the red RSI is at 69.49. But also when this white energy came below 50, it triggered a race. So let me put the 90-minute here now and the 3-hour right here. So now we're see, can the white energy in the 90-minute close above the 50 level before the red RSI in the 3-hour can cross below the 50 level. So right now, we're currently watching the 45 and the 90-minute time frame to see if we can get the close with the white energy above the 50 level before the red RSI in the 90-minute can cross below 50. I'll provide an update later tonight in about 5.5, 6 hours when we get that 3-day candle close, and I will reevaluate the scalping group of time frames and the short term and the near term group of time frame. I'm going to go ahead and call this one quits. If you're not following, I would certainly appreciate your support. I want to wish everyone happy trading, and followers, you know the drill. Let's stay awesome.